Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is a gaming microphone with an LED light and it comes from Anko, and basically these are sold here in Australia in Kmart, and recently Kmart have lowered the price. The original price was $12.50 and they're clearing them out to $2.50, which is exceptionally cheap. I don't think they'll stay on the shelves long and there'll probably be a stock that be hard to get eventually, but for the price, for $2.50, I wanted to do an unboxing and just see how good of quality this really cheap microphone could be. So anyway, like all my videos, let's get it out of the box, have a look at it, and then I'll do a quick microphone test. Okay, so the first thing out of the box is basically the manual. Now it's not a very big manual because these are very cheap products, so they don't spend too much on it, but it basically shows you the installation instructions and how to operate the little microphone, which is pretty cool that they give you some sort of paperwork. And finally we've got the microphone itself, and as you can see it's one of those sort of gooseneck type ones which is on a flexible head. It's got a fairly decent length of cable, which is quite good, about 2 meters, which is quite handy for distance. You've got one button on the top here and that's just to mute it, and of course it will light up. It feels very plasticky and cheap, and even though I only paid $2.50, I'm not expecting much, but what I want to do next is I'll just go and give you a audio test from this little cheap microphone and see how good a quality the sound is from this thing. Okay, so the audio you're hearing at the moment is coming from this microphone. Now I've got it plugged into my laptop and I'm recording using Audacity, and for $2.50 I think it seems to be doing quite a good job. Now its original retail price was $12.50, but even at that price it seems pretty decent for such a cheap microphone. Anyway, let's wrap this video up. Well, there you go, there's my quick unboxing and look at the Anko gaming microphone with an LED light. And overall, I mean, the quality is pretty cheap and the sound is not bad, but for $2.50 you really can't expect a lot, and while it's on clearance at the moment from Kmart, I'd grab one. You can definitely use it for various things. It would be fine for Skyping and Zooming and even basic podcasting or even basic gaming. You'd get away with it until you can afford something better. So really it's a thumbs up from me because of the price. So anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.